Welcome to this fall asleep fast, gentle breathing meditation. Come to lying down. Cover yourself with your blanket. Get comfortable with your pillow. Bend your knees. Allow the knees to come together and stack one hand on top of the other over your belly. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Feel your body melting into the bed. Slowly and gently inhale through the nose and feel the belly lift. And exhale, feel the belly lower. Again, inhaling gently through the nose and feel the belly expand. And exhaling through the nose, feeling the belly drop. Continue slow, gentle breaths into the belly, feeling the hands rise as the belly lifts with every inhale, and feel the belly lower and your body soften like it's melting with every exhale. Staying here, focusing on the breath and the movement of the belly for the next few moments. Now slowly move your hands up towards your rib cage so that the middle fingers gently touch below the sternum and your arms and shoulders are resting down into the bed. As you inhale, feel the bottom of the rib cage expand underneath your hands. And as you exhale, feel the chest, the middle back, relaxing as the lungs start to release that air. Inhale, feel the lower rib cage expand under the hands. And exhale, feel the body softening as those middle fingers come back together. Inhale, breathing into the bottom of the lungs. And exhaling, feel those fingers come back towards each other, softening with every exhale. And just taking a few more moments here, noticing the breath as it moves in and out of the lower rib cage. After your next exhale, move your hands up towards your collarbone. You can stack one hand on top of the other on the chest, or just let the arms and elbows rest down as your fingers rest on the chest near the collarbone. And you're going to breathe into your chest, and as you inhale, feel that upper chest expand and lift. And as you exhale, feel that upper chest lower. You might even notice the breath moving into the upper back as you inhale with light pressure pressing into the mattress beneath you. Using every inhale to lift the chest slightly with a soft, gentle breath. And feel the chest and the shoulders and the upper back relaxing with every exhale. Take a few moments here, breathing into the chest, feeling the chest lift when you inhale, and lower and soften as you exhale. Now, move your hands so the heels of your palms rest gently over your closed eyes with your fingertips resting on your hairline. And this is more of an energetic breath, so as you gently inhale, feel your head expanding. And as you exhale, you're releasing any last unwanted thoughts. Anything that might disturb your sleep, let it go with every exhale here. Inhaling, imagining the head expanding and feeling light underneath your hands. And exhaling, feeling the muscles around the skull softening. Breathing gently in and out through the nose. Spending a few more moments here. Release the arms down by your sides, turn your palms up. Straighten the legs and allow your body to melt down into the earth as you drift into a deep, restful sleep.